This is my review for the Wallaby. Can you see that? Wallaby timer. Here it is. It didn't come with batteries, so I gotta put batteries in. So let's say... Oh my. There we are. Reset. Timer. 1 minute. 1 minute. Play. For 1 minute. Stop. Stop. Clock. Oh, it has a clock. Oh, what time is it? Let's see. It is 7:14. So how would we set that? 10 minute mark? No. 1 second. No, no. Huh. Let's read the instructions, maybe. Okay. See, it has timer clock reset. Okay, well, on the back of it, those are magnets. And then a hanging bracket, so you can hang it up somewhere on the wall. How cool is that? I gotta figure out how to set this dang wrong clock. Okay, start countdown timer, time up, count up timer, clock, switch to clock function, timer setting. Press and hold the reset stop button until hour value flashes to set the hour value. Press the play button to increase the hour's value. Okay. Reset button. Okay. I hit the reset button right there. And then here we go. Play button says to increase it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because it is 7:17 now. And then how do you do the minute? Press and hold the stop. Reset stop button until minutes appear flashing to the set value. Okay, press reset stop again. Did I just read that? Yeah. Reset stop button. Ta-da! I figured it out. 70. Let's just put 18. Okay. Reset stop button. Is it set now? Is it now? Now is it set? It's still blinking. Is it supposed to be blinking? Okay, let's see. Press reset stop button to finish the clock settings. So that's what I thought it did. Oh goodness, I started it over. There we are. I guess it's done. Alrighty, I did it. Yay. I gave it 5 stars. I'm gonna put it on my fridge. Put the back on it first. And then put it on my fridge. I did receive this product at a highly discounted price. How lucky was I? Yeah. Keeping it for myself. Yes. I'm not putting it in the Christmas stockpile. Let's see. I think that's it. That's 5 minutes.